हेलो एवरीवन, हार्टली वेलकम टू आवर ब्रांड न्यू शो मास्टरमाइंड क्विज एंड आई एम इस्माइल अली। और आज मैं आप सभी लोगों के लिए एक ऐसा शो लाया हूं जो आपके बच्चों की तालीम में इजाफा करेगा। जैसा कि शो का नाम है मास्टरमाइंड क्विज, तो इसमें होंगे एक मास्टर जो करेंगे बच्चों से ढेर सारे सवाल और इस शो को होस्ट करेंगे मिसेस अफशा। और आइए बिना किसी देरी के शो शुरू करते हैं।
Hello everyone, this is Afsha signing in. Welcome back to our show that is Mastermind Quiz. Today we are having a new contestant with us. So now let us take her introduction. Yes, my dear.
My name is Ryan Fatima. I am a student of class 10th.
Okay, so are you a regular quizzer?
No.
No? Okay, so all the best. So before beginning with our session, let me tell you about the rules and regulations of our quiz. So your quiz will be having 5 rounds altogether, and from that your first round will be rapid fire, the second will be GK, third round will be current affairs, the fourth one will be related to social issues, and the fifth round will be the audio-visual round. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now let us move forward towards our first round, that is rapid fire. So in this round you will be given 1 minute where you will be asked 5 questions, and there will be a time limit and no negative marking will be there, and for each correct answer you will be getting 10 points. So your first question is, how many vowels are there in English alphabet?
5.
Okay. So your second question is, which is the largest continent in the world?
Asia.
Asia is the correct answer. And your third question is, what is the most important nutrient in milk?
Calcium.
Calcium. Only one?
No, ma'am. I guess vitamin D.
Yeah, that is also a correct answer. And your fourth question is, which country invented the aeroplane?
America.
America, the USA, right? And the last question from this round is, what is the formula of glucose?
C6H12O6.
Yes, exactly. It is also the correct answer. So altogether, by the end of this round, you get 50 points. So now let us move forward towards the second round, that is GK round. Here also you will be asked 5 questions, but no time limit will be there. And for each correct answer, you will be getting 10 points. And here negative marking will be there. It means that whenever you are going to give the wrong answer, 5 marks will be reduced. So your first question is, which year were the Bamiyan Buddhas blown up? And your options are, option A 2001, option B 2020, option C 2016, and option D 2021.
Option A 2001.
Option A 2001 is the correct answer, so you get 10 points for this. Your second question is, which movie has won the award for the best film in the children's category? And your options are, option A Fida, option B Dear Comrade, option C Kasturi, and option D is Maya Bazaar.
Option C Kasturi.
Option C Kasturi is also the correct answer, so you get 10 points for this. Your third question is, the Project Elephant was launched in this year. Option A 1991, option B 1992, option C 1994, and option D 1987.
I don't know, ma'am.
You don't know the answer?
Yes.
So I hope you remember that negative marking will be there.
Yes.
Okay, so you lose 5 points here, and the correct answer for this question is option B 1992. So your fourth question is, Pampasagar Dam is built on which river? And your options are, option A Godavari, option B Tungabhadra, option C Kaveri, and option D Narmada.
Option B Tungabhadra.
Option B Tungabhadra is the correct answer, and you get 10 points for this. And your last question from this round is, when was the National Food Security Act implemented? And your options are, option A 12 September 2013, option B 22nd September 2013, option C 5th of July 2013, and option D 22nd December 2011.
Option A 12 September 2013.
Option A 12 September 2013 is the correct answer, and you get 10 points for this. So by the end of this round, altogether you get 85 points.
Thank you, ma'am.
So now it is the time for the third round, that is current affairs. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Here also the rules will be same, where you will be getting 10 points for each correct answer and 5 minus points for the wrong answer. And your first question is, the World Water Development Report is a flagship report of which organization? And your options are, option A UN Environment Program, option B Global Water Intelligence, Option C, UN Water Program. And option D, International Water Association.
Option C, UN Water.
Option C, UN Water Program is the correct answer and you get 10 points for this. You know that answer or was it a guess?
Guess, ma'am.
Okay, so you are having a very good sixth sense. Your second question is, which organization or body appointed the UK Sinha Committee on MSMEs? And your options are option A, Reserve Bank of India, option B, Ministry of MSME, option C, Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises, and option D, NIIT Ayog.
Option A, Reserve Bank of India.
Option A, Reserve Bank of India is the correct answer and you get 10 points for this. And your next question is, which state has the highest forest cover as per the State of Forest Report 2019? And your options are option A, Jharkhand, option B, Madhya Pradesh, option C, Uttar Pradesh, and option D, Meghalaya.
Option B, Madhya Pradesh.
Option B, Madhya Pradesh is the correct answer and you get 10 points for this. Your next question is, when did India celebrate its 70th Constitution Day? And your options are option A, July 22, 2018, option B, October 18, 2017, option C, November 26, 2020, and option D, January 15, 2021.
Option C, November 26, 2020.
Option C, November 26, 2020 is the correct answer and you get 10 points for this.
Thank you, ma'am.
And the last question from this round is, which state is at first place in India Innovation Index 2.0, that is 2020? And your options are option A, Maharashtra, option B, Karnataka, option C, Tamil Nadu, and option D, Gujarat.
Ma'am, I guessed option B, Karnataka.
Option B, Karnataka is the correct answer and you get 10 points for this again. So altogether you get 50 points in this round and your combined score is 135.
Thank you, ma'am.
So now it is your fourth round where the topic will be social issues and today we are going to ask questions from the women empowerment. Are you ready for this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And your first question is, name the first woman who became the Speaker of Lok Sabha in India. And your options are option A, Mrs. Sarojini Naidu, option B, Mrs. Shanno Devi, option C, Leela Seth, and option D, Rita Faria.
Option B, Shanno Devi.
Option B, Mrs. Shanno Devi is the correct answer and you get 10 points for this. And your second question is, the entire month of March is celebrated as Women's History Month in which country? And your options are option A, Russia, option B, Britain, option C, United States, and option D, China.
Option C, United States.
Option C, United States is also the correct answer and you get 10 points here. And the last question from this round is, Women Helpline Scheme was launched in which year? And your options are option A, 2012, option B, 2015, option C, 2017, and option D, 2018.
Option B, 2015.
Option B, 2015 is the correct answer and you get 10 points here. So altogether you get 30 points in this round. Until now your combined score is 165 points.
Thank you, ma'am.
So Raheen, you are performing really very well and it is a time for the last round, that is audio visual round. Here you will be having 3 questions. The first question will be a picture clue where a picture will be shown and you have to identify the name of the person. And the second will be a audio clip where a music will be played and you have to identify the vocalist. And the last one will be a video clip that will be related to some movie. You have to name the movie. So here comes your first question, that is a picture clue. I request you to see on the screen for the picture.
Sushant Singh Rajput.
Sushant Singh Rajput is the correct answer and you get 10 points for this. And your second question is an audio clip where a music will be played and you have to name the vocalist as I have told you earlier. So please concentrate on the music.
शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई.
Yes, my dear.
I don't know, ma'am.
You don't know? You
Yes.
don't know the song or you don't know the singer?
I don't know singer.
You don't know the singer? Okay. So here the vocalist is Divya Kumar and the song is Hey Shubharam from Kai Poche. So the last question from this round and our quiz is a video clip from a movie. So for this I request you to see on the screen.
I love you वाले दोस्त.
उसके बारे में ना सोचियो भी मत क्यों. वो देख
हरामी हो तुम लोग.
माँ भी यही बोलती है.
Yes, my dear.
Chichore, ma'am.
Chichore is the correct answer. That is a very good movie actually, which is having a very beautiful moral. That is, no matter what the situation is, you should not get disappointed, right?
Yes.
So you get 20 points in this round, and altogether your total score is 185 points. So that was nice to meet you. You did very well.
Thank you, ma'am.
So this is Afsha signing off. Let us meet in our next episode of Mastermind Quiz with a new contestant. Till that time, just keep watching and keep learning. Thank you.